Bay windows add charm, space, and natural light to homes throughout Ferndale. But with the city's fluctuating climate, wet winters, humid summers, and occasional temperature swings, these beautiful architectural features can become a source of concern for homeowners. Understanding the common issues and how to address them can help preserve your home's comfort and curb appeal year-round. Condensation and moisture build up the problem. Ferndale's damp winters and humid summers often cause moisture to collect between window panes or on the glass surface. Over time, this can lead to mold, mildew, or damage to surrounding wood trim. The fix: improve ventilation. Use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms to reduce indoor humidity. Install double or triple pane windows. These are more insulated and less prone to condensation. Dehumidifier use. A whole house or room-specific dehumidifier helps maintain optimal humidity levels. Seal maintenance. Regularly check and reseal any gaps around the window frame. Drafts and heat loss. The problem: older bay windows or those with worn-out seals often allow cold air to enter during Ferndale's chilly seasons. This makes rooms colder and increases heating bills. The fix: weather stripping. Replacing or installing weather stripping around the sash and frame is an affordable fix. Recaulking. Use high-quality exterior caulk to seal cracks between the window and exterior siding. Insulated curtains. Heavy drapes or thermal curtains help retain warmth. Window replacement. Consider energy-efficient window models designed to handle Ferndale's seasonal shifts. Wood rot and frame deterioration. The problem: persistent rain and snowfall can take a toll on wooden frames and trim, causing rot and decay. Bay windows are especially vulnerable due to their projection from the house. The fix: regular inspections. Check wood areas for soft spots, discoloration, or flaking paint. Prompt repairs. Treat minor rot with wood hardener and filler. Replace severely damaged trim. Paint and seal. Use weatherproof paint and sealants to protect exposed wood. Vinyl or fiberglass frames. If wood damage is recurring, consider upgrading to more moisture-resistant materials. Sagging or structural shifts. The problem: the weight of a bay window, particularly larger ones, can cause the structure to sag over time, especially if not properly supported or if the foundation shifts. The fix: install proper support brackets. Ensure load-bearing brackets or corbels are correctly installed under the bay projection. Consult a contractor. Structural adjustments should be handled by a professional to prevent further damage. Foundation check. If you notice large cracks or shifting, have your foundation evaluated for settling issues. Glass cracks and breakage. The problem: frequent temperature changes in Ferndale, warm days and cool nights, can cause expansion and contraction of the glass, sometimes leading to cracks or breakage. The fix: replace broken panes promptly. Delaying this can cause energy loss and further damage. Use tempered or laminated glass. These materials withstand temperature stress better. Install low-E glass. It reduces thermal fluctuations and increases energy efficiency. Pest intrusion. The problem: gaps, cracks, or deteriorated caulking around bay windows can provide entry points for ants, spiders, or even rodents during colder months. The fix: seal all gaps. Use weather-resistant caulk around joints and seams. Check for damage frequently. Look for chew marks, droppings, or nesting materials. Add screens and traps. Prevent pests from entering through vents or small openings. Final thoughts. While Ferndale's weather poses a variety of challenges for bay windows, staying proactive with maintenance and timely upgrades can keep them looking beautiful and functioning efficiently. Whether it's sealing drafts, repairing water damage, or installing energy-efficient panes, taking action early prevents small problems from turning into costly repairs. For persistent issues, consult a local window specialist familiar with Ferndale's climate for the best results.